Hey there, it's Tony Joe from Remax Camosun here in Victoria, British Columbia. Just wanted to film another quick segment. We'll call it segment number 2 regarding the recent mortgage changes announced by the Bank of Canada, and it has to do with the tightening of amortization rates. Hopefully you've seen the other video I produced that demonstrates some number differential and the fact that someone who could qualify for a $400,000 mortgage based on a 30-year amortization will only be able to qualify for a $356,000 mortgage after July the 9th. I had a couple of people ask me a couple of things. The first one is, does this affect everyone? And the answer is no. This is only really related to people who are looking for insured mortgages or mortgages that are high ratio. In other words, ones in which people have less than 20% down payment to apply towards their house purchase. The other thing is, somebody asked me, does it make sense to wait because after the amortization changes happen, does that mean prices are going to drop? And you know, it's a good thought. The quick answer to the question is probably not. And the reason why I can say that with some degree of certainty is because we've been here before. It wasn't that long ago that people were able to get a 40-year amortization on mortgages. That was back in about 2009. Then the Bank of Canada reduced that to 35 years, 35 down to 30 not too long ago. So now we've seen it happen. This is our third step. And I've got to tell you, every time that happens, prices don't go down. It might be affected in certain areas. Victoria has always been very strong. So the let's wait and buy afterwards, probably not the best plan. I think if you are someone who is very close to the limit of affordability based on a 30-year amortization, you should get on and buy something very soon. The deadline again is July the 9th. Mortgage experts around have been telling us it's a good idea to make sure that you have yourself a sale in hand by July the 6th, because you know it's going to be a busy couple of days before the end there. The bottom line is, it is always better if it's your principal residence, of course, you will always appreciate in value, and as you're chipping down the principal as well too with every payment you make, you'll end up having higher equity quicker than you could possibly save money in the bank. So that is the tip for the day. Don't wait. We're not going to see prices go down just because of this. And it will be a crazy time, so the sooner you get on this, the better. Give me a call anytime if you have any questions. I'm Tony Joe.